Definition of NFC. Near-field communication is a set of communication protocols that enable two electronic devices to establish communication by bringing them within 4 centimeters of each other. NFC devices are used in contactless payment systems, like those used in credit cards and electronic ticket smart cards, and allow mobile payment to replace or supplement these systems. This is sometimes referred to as NFC and CTLS. NFC is used for social networking, for sharing contacts, photos, videos or files. NFC-enabled devices can act as electronic identity documents and key cards. NFC offers a low-speed connection with simple setup that can be used to bootstrap more capable wireless connections. Example: NFC, or near-field communication, is now coming to the fore in the mobile device industry. It has been a long time since Google introduced its wallet. Considering the ever-increasing user demand for NFC payment, Apple, which was previously against offering this service, is now reconsidering its stand. While the giant is in talks with experts to set up its exclusive payment business, users can now access NFC by way of using the new Incipio cash wrap case for iPhone. The giant is further rumored to be working with its Touch ID feature to build a more secure mobile payment system. NFC Type 1 tag. The NFC Type 1 tag is the simplest of the offerings. It's also the slowest chip, but because of the simplicity it offers, it's also possible to stuff more memory on this chip. Because these tags are simple, they also tend to be inexpensive, but can lack the functionality that you might need for some applications. You typically see these tags used for these types of applications: one-time provisioning, read-only applications, business cards, pairing devices with Bluetooth, reading a specific tag when more than one tag is present. NFC Type 2 tag. The Type 2 tag tends to be the most popular offering because it offers just enough functionality at the right price to meet a wide range of needs. The Type 2 tag is also faster than the Type 1 tag, so you can rely on it in applications in which a user expects nearly instant communication. You typically see these tags used for these types of applications: low-value transactions, day transit passes, event tickets, URL redirects. NFC Type 3 tag. The Type 3 tag relies on a different standard than the other tags in this group. The Sony Flicker tag is a Japanese innovation and sees wide use in Asia. This is a sophisticated tag that provides a wide range of functionality, but also comes with a relatively high price tag. You typically see these tags used for these types of applications: transit tickets, e-money, electronic ID, membership cards, e-tickets, healthcare devices, home electronics. NFC Type 4 tag. The Type 4 tag offers the most flexibility and memory of all the tags. It comes with a moderate to high price tag, depending on the amount of memory you get. The most important reason to get this tag is security. It offers the functionality needed to perform true authentication. In addition, this is the only tag that provides support for ISO 7816 security as well as allows for self-modification of NFC content. Given the extra capability that this tag provides, you typically see it used for transit ticket applications. NFC Type 5 tag. The Type 5 tag offers support for the ISO ORIAC 15693 specification. In this case, the NFC Forum chose to support active communication mode, which allows overall data transfer performance like the RF technologies already supported by NFC Forum. The reading distance is precisely the same as other NFC technologies. Because the standard mandates support for this mode, an NFC-enabled device that supports the Type 5 tag can read ISO or IEC 15693 tags. You typically see these tags used for these types of applications: library books, products, and packaging. Ticketing. Healthcare. Smart cards. Payment using NFC integrated smart cards offers easier payment compared to conventional multiple-step payment process. Top payment services like Visa and MasterCard are offering NFC embedded smart cards to customers. NFC integrated smart cards can be used for fast payments at grocery shops, parking tickets, adding shopping points, redeem coupons with just a single tap of the card. All the major banks around the globe offers smart cards with NFC chips integrated. E-wallet or mobile payments. Cashless payment system using mobile devices became popular in the beginning of this decade, and more services are offering cashless payments for customers' convenience. Using smartphone applications, payments can be made using a simple tap or waving the card within the proximity. Service providers can integrate payment option into smartphones using an NFC tag embedded inside the device. Apple Pay, Google Wallet and Samsung Pay are the most popular among smartphone payment systems. Data transfer using smart device are possible using NFC technology like Android Beam. Two users can share documents, photos, resumes and business cards by just waving their smartphone. Smart ticketing. Integrated smart chips can be used to replace traditional ticketing systems with smart tickets for airlines, train and bus tickets, etc. NFC tags can be used for smart posters, movie tickets, ticket to concerts, advertisements, flyers and information links. Customers will be able to access a reserved area or activate tickets by just tapping NFC tags located at a assigned location. Healthcare. NFC integrated system can be used in medicine and healthcare activities. NFC offers greater accuracy and convenience in prescribing medicine, easier check-in, payments, checking status of patients, tracking records by embedding NFC tags to patients' charts. NFC integrated devices can be easily paired and configured. Medical professionals can easily check schedules and access medical devices and equipments. Future of NFC is healthcare are very promising, and many companies have already started investing. Diagnostic tags are under development for monitoring medical conditions like temperature variations, blood glucose level fluctuations, etc. Manufacturing. Smart tags are used in modern manufacturing industries to identify each product from its different process stages within the company, packaging, transportation and tracking of products during shipment. Unique identifications numbers allow manufacturers to efficiently manage products in case of return during warranty period for replacement, service and maintenance. Retail. Retail shops and large-scale supermarkets can make use of smart refit tags for better management of inventories in their system. Smart inventory management software can give a real-time update on product details for customers, items in their inventory stock, and it could trigger automatic order if an item has low quantity. Advertising. Reading information and scanning or enrolling in money-saving offers from smart posters gets easy. Information can be exchanged regarding products using posters saved in a tag, which can easily be accessed using NFC and read at reader's convenience anywhere and anytime. This results in two benefits. One is the reader don't need to stand in front of the poster grabbing everybody's attention, and secondly, the information need not be limited according to the size of the banner and its visibility. Thus, the quantity and quality on information being exchanged increases many folds. Convenient. The convenience of payment is one of this system's greatest advantages. NFC makes it very easy for users to make instant payment via their smartphones and tablets, using their mobile wallet. This process of payment is also simple to understand and use. It helps users perform financial transactions at the mere touch or tap of their screen. Versatile. NFC is very versatile, in that it covers a range of different industries and services. This mode of payment can be used for the purposes of mobile banking, reserving restaurant seats and movie passes, booking train tickets, getting real-time updates on expenditure and reward points, redeeming rewards and coupons, and much, much more. Better user experience. This system is beneficial for enterprises too. Companies that readily adopt the latest technology are viewed by customers as being dynamic and progressive. Using this technology also helps them serve their customers better by presenting them with an easy and hassle-free mode of payment. Offering better user experience helps establishments enhance their own productivity and efficiency, thus enabling them to sustain customer loyalty, while also attracting newer customers. Seamless. NFC has been found beneficial in the academic arena as well. The high level of encryption enables institutions to employ it as a sort of a security system, which does an accurate ID on students entering and exiting the premises. Employees of companies use this technology to seamlessly interact in the office environment, sharing real-time information with each other. More secure. Using mobile wallets is, to an extent, safer than using physical credit cards. In the unfortunate event of theft of the mobile device, the user's credit card information is password and PIN protected. This adds on an additional layer of safety. Also, NFC-enabled payment cards are built to be more secure than the magnetic strip of a regular credit card. While using this system of payment, retailers would have no physical access to customers' credit card information. Easy connectivity. The act of transferring a file from one laptop to other by using novel technologies, like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, may need to manually set up the communication link between laptop, which is really time-consuming, but by using NFC-enabled laptops, file transfer can be done by just touching both laptops, thus providing easy connectivity between two gadgets, which can be a TV and a mobile phone for displaying pictures, or maybe a laptop or a camera and a printer for printing documents or images respectively. Illustrative Example. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for NFC. Amazon, Apple, BlackBerry, Google, Microsoft, PayPal.